Hi you guys, it's Whitney Chanel. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm just going to be doing a full makeup look with the items that I bought on my quarantine haul. I got a whole bunch of stuff and let's get started. So what I mean by quarantine haul is all of the things that I bought while we have been in quarantine makeup wise, because I bought a whole bunch of shit. The first thing I got that we're going to be using today is this Beast mirror. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Alyssa Edwards collection, I guess. And I just got this mirror. I just love this thing. Like, look how beautiful that is. I'm gonna be using this a lot. That's what I'm gonna be using as a mirror. And then the first item I'm gonna be using today is this Wet n Wild PhotoFocus Rose Primer Serum. I'm just gonna be using this as primer today. And I saw a lot of things about this. I see a few people review this, and I can't wait to try it. As y'all can see, I've already done my eyebrows. And I'm just gonna rub that in. Another thing that I bought on my during quarantine was this e.l.f. Daily Hydrating Moisturizer, and I've already applied this today. It's very, very nice, very hydrating, and I got it for $8 at Walgreens. Now, first impressions of this primer is very hydrating. When it dries down, it gets a little tiny bit tacky. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer to color correct. Then for foundation, I went ahead and got this Maybelline SuperStay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 330 or Toffee Caramel. I also got this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. It's a 24-hour matte finish in the shade Warm Honey. Today I'm just going to be using the SuperStay for foundation. Both of these are very affordable. I bought this one for $11.99 at Walgreens, and I bought this one for $14.99 at my beauty supply store by my house. I also got this e.l.f. pointed foundation brush, and I'm just going to be using that to apply my foundation today. Now, I've used this foundation before. Last time I chose the wrong shade. I was trying to get a closer shade to the Fit Me shade, like the Fit Me. I would fit me in the shade 335, and so I chose shade 334, and it was just a little bit too yellow for me. So I just never continued using it until I saw a video of Alyssa Ashley, and she said that she used to use 334 until she found 330. So now I'm trying this 330, and it's a great match for me. I love the formula and the finish of this. It's a nice satin finish. Also included in the haul, I got this e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. You guys can see that in the shade Medium Beige. I'm just gonna take that out of the packaging. And I'm just gonna use this as concealer. I heard some good things about this. They actually just came out with a hydrating one. I've never used this one, so I'm not sure exactly how the finish is. So let's go ahead and see. I'm gonna apply this here. It's a little bright. And I also got this Camo concealer sponge by e.l.f. And I'm just gonna use this to blend out my concealer. But before I do that, I got this bowl of water. I was just gonna dip my sponge in. Here's some more. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. Okay, so first impressions on this concealer. It is a little drying. And it might be a little bit too bright for me, but that's just probably, I just chose the wrong color. And like it dries down like quick. So I understand why they came out with a hydrating one. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender with my leftover foundation and just try to blend it out a little bit more. Then I'm just going to contour with my Juvia's Place contour stick. Then I'm just going to go in with the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder. And then another haul item that I have here is the Sweet Peach, the Morphe Sweet Peach by Saweet Continuous Setting Spray. Now I've already opened this and this smells so good. It smells so good. Oh my god. If you like peach smells, smell good. So this is what I'm going to use today to set my makeup. And let's go ahead and set. Oh my god. It smells so good. Then I got this Wet n Wild ColorIcon blush in the shade Mellow Wine, and I'm just gonna use this as blush clearly. I really like this. It's like perfect for every day, not too much. It's there and just blends in perfectly with the rest of the makeup. I like that. And then for highlight, I got this Wet n Wild MegaGlo Hello Blushlighter. So I guess it's like a highlighter and blush together in the shade After Sex Glow. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this. I haven't opened this yet. This is how it looks inside the packaging. Let me swatch these. This is also a part of my haul. This is a Rebel Edge Medium Real Techniques brush This is for like blush or highlighter, which this is what I'm gonna use right now. And it's gonna be my first time using this. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of both. It's gonna be pretty. Yes, Wet n Wild come through. And I love this brush. Like, it's already one of my favorites, and my first time using it. I'll be using this a lot. Do y'all see that? Like, for lips, I got this NYX Professional Makeup Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Vintage. And I also got the shade Club Hopper. And today I'm going to be doing a red lip. And Vintage is just a little bit more, it's like a brownish red. So I'm just going to choose the Vintage. And then I'm just going to apply the Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip in the shade Uncensored, the OG. And I'm going to go ahead and highlight my nose, my brow bone, my forehead, and any other little areas that need to be highlighted. I'm going to take both colors again. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys like it. Some of my favorite things that I got, I really like this primer. It's very hydrating and moisturizing, and it gets a little sticky, and I like that in primers. Also, I love this Morphe setting spray. I already have the originals and the Jeffree Star one, but I really love the smell of this. It smells so good. I really like this SuperStay. I already said that I really liked the formula before. I just had the wrong color, so I really like this, the color, and it matches me perfectly. This this Camo concealer, maybe I applied it wrong, but it's a little like too dry, so I'm probably gonna try the hydrating one when it comes out. I think it either just came out or it's about to come out, I'm not sure, but this is a little dry. I don't know if I'm gonna use this again. If I do, I'm just gonna have to make sure I hydrate, overhydrate, or whatnot. I really love this mirror. Like this is so freaking cute. Ugh, I love it. It just reminds me of Beauty and the Beast. Like the beauty is in the mirror and the beast is on the back. You get it? I really love this Real Technique angled brush. They call it the Rebel Edge medium brush. It's just so cute, and it's just so soft, and it just works perfectly. This is my new highlighter brush. Everything else I really liked. I really liked the blush. I really liked the highlighter. I love this highlighter. I love this. I'm gonna use this a lot. The only thing I didn't like was I wasn't like a big fan of was the concealer. I wish I would have used my own concealer, but I mean, it doesn't look bad. It looks good. That is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.